Hi, and welcome to wpdev-tutorials.com. In this video you will learn how to build a professional-looking WordPress website using Elementor and Envato elements, without writing any single line of code. To build our website, we need 1. A domain name and a cPanel web hosting. I recommend buying the domain name and web hosting from the same provider. You can buy from GoDaddy or any other provider that uses cPanel hosting. After you buy the domain and hosting, access the cPanel from your domainname.com/cpanel with the user and password given by the provider. In the cPanel, navigate to Softaculous Apps Installer, Apps and click on WordPress. If you don't have this menu in your cPanel, email me at contact@wpdev-tutorials.com and I will assist you. In the next screen, click on Install Now and make sure that the latest version of WordPress is selected. Choose HTTPS as protocol. Fill in the site name and site description fields that represents your brand. Fill in the admin username, admin password and admin email. Make sure you write these informations down, because you will need them to access the admin area of the website. All the other fields leave them as default and scroll down and press Install. Now you can access your website admin your domainname.com/wp-admin. 2. Now it is time to install the required plugins, Elementor, Elementor Pro and Envato elements. Now that we installed WordPress successfully, let's upload the requested plugins and theme. First let's install the default Elementor theme, which is called Hello. So head up to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and in the search bar type Hello. After that click on Install and then on Activate. A pro tip here, delete all the other themes that you are not going to use, because they are a security issue. Now let's install Elementor and Envato elements. Head up to Plugins, Add New, search for Elementor and then click on Install Now and then activate the plugin. After that, head up to Elementor website, link is in the description of the video, and buy the Pro version because the default version is limited, and then download it from your Elementor account and in the WP admin dashboard click on Upload plugin, upload it from your computer and then click on Activate. Now it is time to connect your Elementor Pro account with your website, so click on Connect and Activate. And now let's install and activate the Envato Elements plugin. For that go to Plugins, Add New, search for Envato Elements in the search bar and install now and activate. Make sure to subscribe the Envato Elements, link is in the description, and access unlimited digital assets, WordPress themes, Elementor kits, stock photos, stock videos and much more. Now head to your Envato Elements account and copy the token key they provide and activate the plugin. Elements and Media, Envato Elements and Freepik. Now that we have WordPress installed and all plugins and theme installed successfully, let's move on and build our professional-looking website. For that let's head to Pages, Add New, and create a page called Home and then click on Edit with Elementor. Now click on the green icon and Envato Elements will pop up and you can choose from 180 pre-made templates for Elementor, 580 blocks and 1,020,000 stock pictures. Smiley face, pretty amazing. Choose any design suits you and then just change the text and images and that is it. You can build any professional-looking website with Elementor and Envato Elements in under 1 hour. Use the same path to build the Contact page, About Us page, Portfolio or our Services page. And now for the pro tips. Go to https://gtmetrics.com/ and check your website speed. I will post a separate tutorial for WordPress speed. Install Leverage Browser Cache plugin for better speed performance. Use freepik.com to search for free logos and stunning images. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for some new cool WordPress related stuff.